So guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over the $25 update. Also, we'll be going over some testimonials and some payment proofs, so stick around to the end of this video so you don't miss out. But if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload some video on how to make some daily cash. So I'm here in the $25 support group. You will have access to this group, and in this video, the creator TJ Holloway update video, many more new things to come besides what's mentioned in the video. Now, in this video, he mentioned that new sales funnels, new capture pages, more training, and you're gonna have the ability to get a software at each level. So that's really exciting. I'm ready to see, how this thing is gonna take off in the future. He said that this update should be within the next week, so I'm really excited. More tools and resources that are going to allow you to make more sales, okay? And these are daily sales. For a reminder, for anybody who don't know what $25 is, it's a system that allows you to earn, as you can see, $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 at each level that you refer somebody to, okay? And you can get multiple commissions every single day. Now let's go through this group some more. $25 is here to just register the domain name for another 5 years. So once again, this is for all the people, okay, that just think that $25 is a scam or a pyramid scheme or whatever the case may be. Do you want to be at the bottom or the top of this pyramid? And if you work a 9-to-5 job, you are at the bottom, okay? The top is the CEOs and the people that you will never see. But you see your managers, you see your supervisors, you see all of those people, and they are under the people who you're working for. So you're at the very bottom if you're working a 9-to-5 job. That's a pyramid scheme to me if you're doing all the work for somebody and making somebody else rich. $25 allows you to earn 100% instant commissions, branding yourself through the company and selling the products at each. Now, for the people that think that $25 is a scam, $25 is here to stay. Just register the domain name for another 5 years. Now, a scam, let's talk about a scam. Let's talk about the differences in a scam. A scam is somebody, okay, we all know what scams are. Scams are people, who ask for personal information. They ask for, social security, bank account, all of that, anything personal. We don't need anything personal. All we need you to have is an email and a way to get paid. We don't ask for anything personal, guys. It's not a scam. This is a real work from home opportunity. I also want you to think about at this moment is what year it is. It's 2020. Technology is the way to become successful. The internet, multiple streams of income. It's okay to invest in something different. All right. Think about it like this. If you come in at whatever level, there's no monthly fees whatsoever. So you don't have to ever worry about any recurring fees. So you don't have to worry about any recurring fees or hidden fees. So it's a one-time fee to join. And you can make unlimited commissions every time you refer somebody. So your first initial payment will be made back after your first sale. No personal information needed. You get training. You get a product. So get in now while you can. This system has been on fire since it started, and I'm still using it. So let's scroll down some more. On the positive note, there will be 11 new capture pages added to the system. Once again, appreciate that, TJ. He's doing a great job of keeping this system up to date, adding new things to it so we can, have a better and this great opportunity. And once again, all we're doing is inviting people to this done for you system that is allowing us to earn 100% instant commissions directly to our PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, Google Pay, Apple Pay, whatever you want to use, you can use it. This system has, generated over $1 million so far to me and others. What I'm gonna do now is go over to the payment proof page. All right, so Lisa, here we go. I'm close to hitting 2K with $25.1Up. I've earned $25 the other day. This is a solid and proven system, which it is. Okay, all you have to do is follow the training in this can to earn $25 to $1,000 per sign up. Don't delay. Get back to the person who invited you to this opportunity, which I'm inviting you right now. So if you watching this video, get back to me. This is the real deal. As you can see, $1,925 made. Way to go. I love seeing other people making money. Let's keep going. She said easy. What did she said easy, earning easy money with a solid and proven system. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Boom, my earnings. It actually works in a great way. Okay, 1,500 bucks made. Keep pushing, man. Keep going. 100% instant commissions. This money goes directly to you. It's a member to member membership. So he earned $50 today. 350 bucks made so far. Let's keep going. $175 made. $25 made. This is a new member. And once again, I want to say shout out to James Fumble, man. He hit the 10K club. All right, he hit the 10K club with $25.1Up. And once again, there's people who made 10K, 20K, 30, 40, and even 50 people that made over 100K with this system. Because once again, it's 100% instant. Think about any other program. Do you earn 100% commission and instant commissions? You can take care of whatever you need to take care of the same day if you're a part of this system. If you have anything, like, oh, I need to make 250 bucks, or I need to make 500 bucks. If you're a part of the system and you're, eligible at those levels, one sale can be 250 bucks. One sale can be 500. Show you how to connect with a targeted audience. All right, let's keep going. 125 bucks made. $1,000 made. The list go on and on, guys. The list go on and on. This system speak for itself. If you follow me on, Instagram, once my information will be below. I post payment proofs all the time. All right, I post payment proofs all the time, daily. All you have to do is focus on a target audience and invite people. Invite people to this done for you system that does the selling and the telling for you and generate 100% instant commissions. Once again, the information will be below or above wherever you're watching this video at. Just click the link, get started, and I will see you guys on the inside of the system.